Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Moustache Trading here again, and today I'm going to cover some of the alerts and kind of update everything. But here on VLDR, we're actually kind of watching it from the bullish Rami here on the weekly, and as you can see, we scaled out so far. So if you're a person who only had one contract, that's cool. If you took profits, it's totally fine to do that. That was a very big percentage, so that was very nice for small accounts. For any account size, though, that has multiple contracts. If you already scaled out of most, amazing, but this is going to be a good long hold. As you can see, this is a weekly time frame play, so we do have intentions of it going a lot higher than this. So keep that on hold if you're still holding that. Good job so far. And then the other few plays we had going were some solar plays. As you can see on tan, it's actually still looking good on the weekly. Here on the daily, just ended up slowing up. The big red candle, though, why it was red today so far, is from Canadian Solar. So Canadian Solar is doing a public offering, or they're filing for one, so it's going to dilute their stock. They're trying to get more money. Okay, so that is what brought tan down at first for just a little bit, because it was looking a little bad, but nothing crazy yet. Still holding range, so if you're still in that, good job. And then the SUNW play, from what I called out, is actually still in its range. I'm not looking to cut this anytime soon. Again, this is a long hold. This is just like the BNGO play. Again, these aren't daily plays. These are weekly time frame plays, everybody. So this is what we're looking at above the trend change, and it'll start looking better on the dailies as more time expands out. But as you can see, BNGO is still holding above 50% of the day, so looking to actually, it might actually have another green day tomorrow if it holds above the 50% of yesterday. So big watch on that. Let's go back to SUNW though. So for these two alerts that I have open for farther out, just looking to hold them. They're not anything I'm looking to exit anytime soon. There might be a little bit of rough waters in the beginning, but overall I'm looking to hold them for a good portion of this next couple months here. So I'll update them more, of course, across a couple videos and some messages here and there. But yeah, if you're in those plays with me, just sit on them, relax. Don't think about freaking out or anything. And of course, I'll keep updating you. If you have any questions, ask. Nothing crazy with that. But I hope this video was helpful with breaking all that down. But at the end of this, I actually wanted to break down something one of my members showed me. So I'm going to break this down for everybody. So as you can see, we have a very nice downtrend kind of happening here, right? I think we can all agree it's a very strong downtrend. Actually, that was a little off. Let's just get that going. So rough drawing. Sorry about that. But very important thing with pattern recognition is, here's two examples of a bullish piercing line. So here's a good piercing line that ended up breaking out. Here's a piercing line that I always tell people to not trade. So whenever I talk about pattern trading and positional, where they are in position to the trend, let's say we're trading an uptrend, right? Where are you going to be looking for bullish and bearish signals? You're going to be looking for bullish down here to go up, and then you're looking for bearish at the top of the trend to take it back down to the bottom of that trend, right? So vice versa for this again. So top of the trend, we're looking for a bearish signal. You don't have one, okay? So that's a bullish signal, bullish candlestick pattern right here. Talking about these two. Sorry, I should highlight them. At a wrong spot. So that is a bad candlestick pattern. That is a fake out. That normally leads to more red days, and that is what you get. You end up getting a red day the next day. Good little stick sandwich there. But here at the bottom of the trend, what end you end up getting? A better candlestick pattern, the same candlestick pattern, but at a different spot, at a way better spot. So positional wise, it's a lot better. So let's do our little cheat rule. Let's mark the open to the close of the previous day, and then mark the 50%. So I'm marking that light blue line in the middle. Delete all this. We don't need all that. And this is the line that price needed to hold over yesterday for this to be a piercing line on the daily. Okay, so now you're going for an overnight swing where there's going to be a gap up or just a green day that opens and then pushes up. Whatever it is, you're looking for a green day to take profits on. You're not looking to hold this super long. It'll start out as just an overnight swing and can lead to longer holds, but for just a good cautious example, this is good to take profit overnight. And the member actually ended up taking 78% on a contract from yesterday to today's high. They ended up selling almost at open. I think he ended up taking within the first 30 minutes. Yeah, he was out within one of these three candles. Before the true high of day, I think. So very big move on that. But as you could see, I wanted to break that down because that's a very good example of positional pattern trading. So we don't just pattern trade. I don't just go, oh, look, bullish engulfing, let's get into it. It's all about where is it at. Like right here, we have a push up, and then price does a little retracement. Now I'm going to look for some bullish momentum to take us back up, or a further drop. We didn't make a new low. We ended up having a bullish engulfing. Pretty good position. Ends up gapping up. Good position. Right here, horrible positioning. Right here, amazing positioning again. So please use that trend example as you wish for for future pattern trading as well. But as you see these signals called out more, go see which ones that are the pattern trade callouts. You know, go see which ones that you think you can apply to future trades. But I hope this video is helpful, and please leave a like on the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.